Hey everyone, today we're going to tackle one of those tasks that, let's be honest, probably drives you a little bit crazy, manually entering data from your business chats. We are going to build a slick automation that connects your AI agent directly to Google Sheets. Basically, we're turning it into the perfect, tireless data entry clerk.
So think about it. Is your AI agent great at talking to customers, but you're still its personal secretary? Are you the one who has to scroll through all those chat logs, copying names, phone numbers, and order details, and then pasting them line by line into a spreadsheet? It's a huge time sink, and it's exactly what we're going to automate away today.
That's right. We're giving your AI a serious promotion. It's not just a conversationalist anymore. From now on, it's also your most efficient data entry clerk. Its new job? To instantly grab and record important info right where it needs to go. No more manual work from you.
So, how are we going to do it? Here's the game plan. First, we'll go over the 3 simple tools you're going to need. Then, we'll walk step by step through the 5-step setup. After that, we'll do a quick test run so you can see the magic happen in real time. And finally, we'll brainstorm some other really powerful ways you can put this automation to work.
Okay, first things first. Let's get our tools in order. The good news is we only need 3 key things to build this entire automation.
So here's our trio, our dream team. You've got your AI agent, the one on the front lines, handling conversations. Then you've got Google Sheets, which is going to be our new digital ledger. And the glue holding it all together is n8n. Now, if you haven't used it before, n8n is the super powerful tool that acts as a bridge between all your different apps. In our case, it's going to link our chat directly to our spreadsheet. All right, with our tools ready, it's time to build this thing. This is the heart of the explainer. But don't worry, it's a really straightforward 5-step process. Let's dive in.
So we'll kick things off by getting our Google Sheet ready. Then we're going to jump into n8n to add and set up something called a node. The really key step is turning that node into a tool that our AI can actually use. And finally, we'll give the AI a simple instruction, and that's it. We'll be ready to test it out.
Step 1. Let's get our spreadsheet prepped. And here's a quick pro tip for you. You can create a new sheet instantly just by typing sheet.new right into your browser's address bar. Super handy. Go ahead and give it a clear name, something like customer orders, so it's easy to find later. Okay, now for what is maybe the most critical part of this first step, setting up your column headers. These are just the titles in that first row, name, phone, item. Think of them as signposts. They are absolutely essential because they tell the AI exactly where to put each piece of information. You gotta get these right.
All right, our sheet is ready. Let's hop over to our n8n workflow. The first thing you're gonna do is add a Google Sheets node. Just think of a node as a little building block in n8n. Each one represents an app or an action. And this node is what's going to talk directly to your spreadsheet. Now we just have to configure it. There are 3 key settings. First, for credential, you'll just connect your Google account. Super simple. For resource, make sure you choose row, since we're adding rows of data. And for operation, you need to select append. Now this is really important because append tells the node to add new info to the end of the sheet, so you never accidentally write over your old entries. Okay, now here's where we do something a little different, and it's pretty clever. In a normal workflow, you might connect nodes with an arrow, right? We're not doing that. Instead, you're going to open up your AI agent node, go to the Tools section, and add that Google Sheets node you just set up directly inside it. So why do we do it this way? Well, by making the node a tool, we're basically giving the AI the power to think for itself. It's not just a dumb step in a sequence anymore. The AI can now intelligently decide when to use the Google Sheet. It'll only call on that tool when a customer actually gives it information that needs to be recorded. Smart, right? We are so close. The very last setup step is to just tell our AI agent what to do in plain English. We do this by updating its main instruction, which is often called the system prompt. You can think of it like the AI's core job description. And your instruction can be as simple and direct as this. When a customer gives you their info to place an order, use the Google Sheets tool to record it. That's it. No complicated code, just a clear, simple command that gives the AI all the context it needs to use its new tool correctly. And now for the best part. With the setup totally complete, it's time to see our new automated clerk in action. This is where all that work pays off. So let's go to our chat window and type in a test order. Something like, "Hi, I'd like to order. My name is Mong Mong, phone is 091234567889, and I need 1 pair of shoes." The AI will confirm it. Now you flip over to your Google Sheet and boom,
Just like that, a new row appears with all of the data perfectly sorted into the right columns. No copying, no pasting, just instant, accurate data entry. It feels like magic. Now, this is fantastic for orders, but please don't stop there. Now that you've built this framework, you could adapt this super powerful automation for all sorts of other tasks in your business. Just think about the possibilities, right? You could use this for instant lead generation, capturing details from anyone who asks about your services. You could create a system for effortless feedback collection, logging customer comments automatically. You could even build a simple expense tracker where you just tell the chat what you bought and it gets logged instantly. The sky's the limit. Look, the bottom line is that the benefits here are huge. You are going to dramatically reduce the amount of manual work you have to do, which saves an incredible amount of time. And by taking the human copy and paste step out of the equation, you also seriously boost your data's accuracy. It's a total win-win. Seriously, this is just the beginning. You've given your AI a brand new superpower, the ability to work with structured data. So the real question isn't just what you'll do with this automation, but what you're going to automate next. What other tedious, time-sucking tasks in your business are ready for their own AI clerk?